In the bustling world of apparel, quality is paramount. Yet manual inspection struggles to meet modern demands, often leading to errors. Imagine a solution that never tires, never misses a defect, and always delivers precision. AI, a revolutionary force in quality control. By automating inspections, it ensures garments are flawless, detecting even the tiniest defects with unmatched accuracy and speed. It's a game changer for the industry. AI systems excel at spotting defects invisible to the human eye. From broken stitches to color mismatches, identifies issues swiftly, ensuring consistent quality control across all garments. With AI, even subtle cosmetic defects are no longer a challenge. This technology guarantees that every piece meets the highest standards, transforming how we perceive quality assurance. It provides real-time alerts, tracing root causes instantly. Manufacturers gain actionable insights, optimizing processes, and achieving predictive maintenance. This leads to improved first-pass yield and reduced waste. By harnessing data, AI empowers manufacturers to make informed decisions. This proactive approach ensures efficiency and sustainability, setting new benchmarks in the apparel industry. AI doesn't replace human expertise, it enhances it. Workers can now focus on high-value tasks, driving continuous improvement. This synergy leads to fewer returns and a stronger brand reputation. By integrating AI, you'll ensure precision, speed, and confidence in every garment produced. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also visit our website for professional updates.